Alright, so it's been snowing like this for about 2 hours, but we do have a heavier band of snow moving into Vineland. That's about where I'm at. You can see we're actually starting off with a decent amount. Wasn't expecting there to be this much snow already into the storm. In fact, it wasn't even supposed to start snowing until 8, and it's now 8:07, I believe. My goat meteorologist right here. Wow, where'd y'all come from? How you doing? It's 9:48, still Friday, obviously. 30 degrees, still feeling like 22, and the snow is coming down much heavier, accumulating on the trees. Probably got about an inch of snow on the ground right now. This is awesome. Alright, so it's 10 o'clock. I just want to talk about what's going on. So, as you can see, we have a cluster of thunderstorms off the coast of North Carolina. That means that this low pressure system is intensifying. There's also lightning out there, too. If we take a look at Delmarva, you can see that heavy snow right there, which is also going to be moving into New Jersey soon. I can't zoom in, there's snowflakes. Anyway, you can see what I'm talking about. That's all heavy snow that's going to be moving in here soon, and going to drive up our snow totals. Just about 11 o'clock. Like I said, storm bombing out, winds are picking up. Look at this, you can see it really well right here. Alright, so it's midnight, so now it's Saturday. I've been inside. Look at the winds picking up a little bit. Alright, it's 3 in the morning. My 40-minute nap I wanted to take ended up turning into a 2-hour nap. Everything for a second. Put these gloves on. Holy crap. It is roaring. Holy crap. Wow. Wow, look at that. That was cold. This is insane right now. Look at that. It is cold. Alright, got a GoPro recording once again. So if I'm inside and something happens, hopefully this will catch it. accidentally brought 2 right-hand gloves, so one of my hands has no. Anyway. Oh man. Alright, that's what we're looking at. The shore is getting absolutely clobbered with snow. This is Alright, it's almost 6 in the morning. Temperature is 22, it feels like 10. You know it's cold outside, not because of how much snow is falling, but because my hair is frozen together. I've never had that happen to me before. It's almost 7 a.m. Got myself a coffee. We actually don't have any ice, so I figured why not just cool it off. Sun's coming up. The wind's coming. See if she's gonna be able to get out. Floor it, floor it, floor it. She made it. Absolute winter wonderland out here this morning.
Austin.
Oh. It's so cold. Alright, well, the storm is moved out. I actually took a nap, slept all day from like 10 to it's now 4 o'clock. And now we're just left with a ton of wind and beautiful snow drifts and all this snow. Alright, I'm going to try to run through the snow as fast as I can without beeping it. To do that. Wow. This is awesome.